Step into the realm of economic viability with our PCB circuit board recovery equipment. As the world grapples with the challenges of electronic waste, our technology stands at the forefront, not only providing an environmentally responsible solution but also delivering substantial economic benefits. Our machinery encompasses a twofold approach. First, witness the prowess of our PCB component dismantling machine, equipped with an advanced smoke purification system. This phase delicately disassembles electronic components, setting the stage for the efficient recovery of valuable materials. Moving forward, our motherboard crushing and sorting line takes center stage. This system ensures the meticulous separation of metals and nonmetals, optimizing the potential for precious metal extraction. The result is a streamlined process that not only contributes to resource conservation but also positions you at the forefront of a lucrative venture. The proof is in our global footprint. Our equipment has found success in numerous countries, with installations serving as testaments to the reliability and efficiency of our technology. From small-scale businesses to large recycling facilities, our solutions have consistently delivered exceptional results, showcasing the adaptability and scalability of our offerings. As we delve into the heart of circuit board recycling, it's imperative to highlight the economic feasibility of this endeavor. The demand for electronic waste recycling is on the rise, driven by both environmental regulations and the increasing awareness of sustainable business practices. Our equipment not only aligns with these trends but capitalizes on them, offering a sustainable and economically viable solution. In conclusion, this video isn't just about machines. It's about a transformative approach to electronic waste. It's about seizing the economic opportunities embedded in responsible recycling. If you are also interested in e-waste recycling, please feel free to inquire us for details.